Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix if your Snapchat account is temporarily disabled. So guys, if you have not violated any community guidelines of Snapchat but your account is disabled, here I will show you how can you enable it or how can you fix this problem. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open any browser in your device. So guys, here I am opening my Google Chrome and search here for Snapchat support. So guys, here it is. And now you have to simply go to snapchatsupport.com. And from here you have to simply tap on my account is compromised. Here you can see this. And wait here for some seconds. And from here you have to simply check this button to I cannot access my account. So guys, check this button to I cannot access my account, and after this scroll it below. And from here you have to check this button to I think my account was compromised. So guys, check this button also, and from here scroll it below, and in the end here you have to give here your username. So guys, give here your Snapchat username, and from here give here your email address which is associated with your Snapchat account. So guys, here you can read the instructions as well. And from here you have to simply give here your correct and active phone number. So guys, give here your correct and active phone number, and after this, in the end, in this box you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way, that you have not violated any community guidelines of Snapchat but your account is disabled. So guys, you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way, and after this you have to simply submit this report to the Snapchat team. So guys, Snapchat team will oversight this matter and they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours, and they will send you a link on your email address or phone number to fix your Snapchat disabled account. So guys, after this hopefully your problem will be fixed and your account will be enabled. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.